welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna review this Wishcare's underarm roll-on, and before even starting the video, let me tell you that I actually love this product and it has worked wonderfully for me. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so coming to the product, this is the Wishcare's underarm roll-on. Okay, you will get 50 ml of the product for like under 300 rupees. So it has 5% of AHA, that is, it has both glycolic as well as mandelic acid, which is meant for exfoliation. It will exfoliate the upper layer of your skin. It does have kojic acid and licorice extract, which is meant for skin brightening. It also has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid for that hydration and soothing effect, plus niacinamide, which is again a very good brightening agent. And they also have used witch hazel, which is good for antimicrobial properties. So these are the ingredients of this product. Okay, this one is completely over. I have used it all, so that's why I can't show you the texture, but this is a roll-on. It comes in a roll-on form. It has a very watery kind of texture. It is not at all sticky, and trust me when I say this, it has worked beautifully for me. I mean it. Let me show you the before and after. The condition of my underarms, because of some hormonal issues, my underarms were getting darker and darker and darker, and I wasn't sure what to do, and that was the time when I bought this product, and it worked so well. This is the before, as you can see, and this is the after. This is how my underarms are looking right now. It has worked tremendously well on my underarms. Like, this is a non-sponsored video. Among all the Wishcare products that I have used, including their hair growth serum, their sunscreen, which was very viral, this is the product that has actually standed out for me. And once it was over, I purchased the other one, but this time I thought of using some other brand, and I got this roll-on from the brand the Formula RX. But now I need to get this one back, because this one is not working that good. Okay, I'm not impressed by this one, but this one actually did something for my underarms and even my under thighs as well. So this is the product that I will suggest you to go for if you are also suffering from darker underarms. And also it also helps in controlling body odor, which is good because it has witch hazel again. And yeah, it has worked really well for me, and I would like you all to try this product once. So yeah, this is a very, very good product.